In this video, we are going to see how we want to create a line or area chart visual in Power BI desktop. So the focus of this video is we are going to try to answer this question. What is our total revenue progression over the years? So when we want to analyze something over some period of time, that is what we call as a time-based analysis. Okay, so for this case, the time mentioned in the question is years. So that is what we want to build in this activity. So let's go into our Power BI desktop, and from here, we are going to build our first visual, that is a line chart. So to insert a line chart, you can click on the line chart icon from the visualization pane, and let me position it to this position here. And the answer to the question, we need to bring in our total revenue column. So you can click on this checkbox for the total revenue, and we'll go into our y-axis. And then we want to analyze this over a time period. So the time period that we can choose here is coming from this calendar table, and you can click on this date column. So you can click on this checkbox for the date column, and automatically in Power BI, it will give us this hierarchy. This is what we call as a date hierarchy. So the top level is year, and then it goes into quarter, into in quarter it goes into months, and for every month it will go into the daily data. So that is what we call as a date hierarchy, and we can choose which date hierarchy that we want to use for this visual. Okay, for example, the question just asks us what is the total revenue progression over the years, right? So I can actually remove the day, month, and quarter from our visual. Okay, so let me make it larger. So I will drag all the way to the end of this page. And so this is our progression for our total revenue over the years. Okay, starting from 1999 up until 2014. Okay, that is the time period for our sample data. So this is our first visual, our line chart. And from here, I want to insert another visual. So let me click on any empty spaces on this page to make sure that I am not selecting the line chart. So now we can add another visual, which is area chart. Okay, so area chart and line chart works in the similar process. Okay, so we can click on this revenue column. So it will go into this y-axis field, and same goes for our x-axis. We want to select only the year. So I'm just clicking directly on the year as opposed to the first visual. I clicked on the date column. Okay, so when I click directly on the year, so as you can see in this x-axis field, it will directly use up until year hierarchy. Okay, so let me make it larger as well, similar size to our line chart up there. Okay, so that is how easy it is for us to build these two visuals, line chart and visual chart. So for the next example, for the next video, we are going to look at in detail how we want to customize our graph or our charts here to make it unique to our report. Okay, but before I end this video, let me resize these two visuals a little bit. So I'm just dragging it down, the sizing here, I'm just dragging it down until I reach to the middle horizontal reference line here. So similar for the second visual down there, I'm just going to size it up until it reach to the middle reference line there. Okay, so let's meet again in the next video where we are going to learn how we want to modify or customize our charts in this report.